Welcome back to Reality with Shanna. If you are watching this while the weather is slowing us down, thank you, Winter Storm Fern. This is a calm place to be. Currently, I am featuring the cranberry pie that I usually make during the Christmas holiday. I did this when I wasn't rushed, and just watch this to think of some warm memories while the storm passes.
Oh, that's right, that's good. Thank you. No, I just have to chop. Pecan. Good morning. Second pecan pie. Go see what's happening in the real world. That's right. Yes, Wednesday. It's good shake. I'll remind you. Trash day. You'll be impressed with the usual time. 10 o'clock. Good job. Not very well, but. You need something else to chop? No. I mean, this knife is working fine. I just am not the best chopper. I bet you do, but. You got it. I'm doing it this way. Okay. I need my baby. How'd you sleep? Knowing you had some company here waiting for you in the morning. You know, when you were going to wake up to warm smiles and cartoons on your TV. A pie, cranberry pie. You've had it before. You liked it. Well, this has to be good. Okay, that's good. Is it yours? Oh. Oh, yeah, car. I just need to get yours. Yeah, I think by now they know who you are. Bye.
I pray that you are safe right now during this storm, but there is something about a winter storm that gives us permission to stop worrying about those to-do lists and priorities and focusing. It just allows us to stay inside and focus on our family and doing something, just one simple thing that you enjoy. What will you be doing today?
Is yours not coming out? Or? Yeah, I'm saying, so are you still pooping? Okay. Oh, I'm using your shoes in the back. Your Crocs? Oh. Okay.
A lot of times I feel like I have to keep planning everything and moving forward and looking at my priority list, but I don't have to do that. I don't have to. So on days like today, go ahead and choose slow. choose calm. Let the day just take you where you want to go, and rest if you need to.
You don't remember this pie? Hmm? Okay. Hopefully. Oh, just lost a berry. I think you mentioned it. Yeah. Yes, honey.
Wherever you are today, I hope that this brought a little warmth to your heart, and thank you for sharing a little quiet winter moment with me.
Oh, shoot. It's not ready.